Okay, so I will give you a sentence and you have to convert that sentence into Kumaoni language.
Oh my
So,
god. Walking slowly, it's Matu Matu. Okay.
yeah, Mathu
Matu
Mathu.
Matu,
Yeah,
okay.
Mathu Mathu.
And hi Bhuvan, how are
Hi.
you?
Yeah, I'm fine, ma'am. I'm fine. How are you?
I am good too. I'm good too. Thank you. How's your
Hmm.
day going?
Yeah, it's going good.
Going good? Okay.
Yeah.
Anything new today? Or same boring routine as always?
I think same boring routine.
You
It
are admitting also that it's boring. Yeah.
it is revising every day.
Oh, yes, very true. Okay, so
Mm,
if you are asked that one thing that you would like to change, just one thing to make your day a little more interesting, then what would it be?
okay. Uh, I think I need more people to talk.
You need more people to talk.
Yeah, I need more people to talk with whom I can
Okay,
speak.
okay,
With whom I can speak English a
very
lot.
nice. Okay.
Yeah.
You, in your surroundings, you only talk in your language. Nobody is there to talk to in English.
No, nobody talk
Nobody.
in English. Yeah.
Okay.
I, yeah, I talk with them Kumaoni.
Oh, that's very common. Yes.
Do you
You know,
uh-huh.
yes, yes, I
Uh,
understand.
you okay, you understand all the things in Kumaoni
Yes,
book?
absolutely, I do. You know that my mom and my grandmom, they are from Uttarakhand only, and especially from the area that we mentioned last time. So
Yeah, yeah.
their common language is Kumaoni. So whenever they
Kumaoni.
used to talk, so I can understand everything. But the problem is that I cannot speak. I really want to. I really want to, And my mom always forces me that come on, learn this language so that it's our secret language and we can talk in front of your father also and brother also, and they won't understand what you're talking about. So I'm like, but it's so
Okay.
difficult. I'm not able to learn. That is the problem.
Okay, so I will make I will make another platform, and through that platform you can you can you can learn Kumaoni.
Absolutely. I'll be the first one to join you. Okay. First one to join you. You're teaching Kumaoni. Wow,
Yeah.
that's so good.
Mm.
You can speak Garhwali as well?
No, I can't speak Gadwali. And do you know, Gadwali accent is very hard to understand.
Yes, yes, yes. I've heard that Kumaoni and Garhwali, though they belong to the same state, but they are
Mhm.
quite different from each other. The
Right.
words, the way of talking, it's very different.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Right. Where I live in Chakhotia, so
Mm-hmm.
here I think 25, 20 or 25 kilometer far. So Chamoli border has start.
Okay. 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 Okay.
Yeah, yeah. So,
Right.
but like only 5 kilometer far from my place, so they
Mm-hmm.
speak Gadwali.
Okay. All
So
right.
they speak Gadwali very well. But
Okay.
here we
Very
speak
nice.
Kumaoni.
Right. Mm-hmm.
And one of my friends who live in I think almost 3 to 5 kilometer far from my place,
Yeah.
but he speaks very good Gadwali, and he speaks Kumani also, but he speaks Gadwali also.
Wow, that's so nice.
Yeah,
Okay. So, have you tried speaking in Garhwali ever?
I tried, I tried,
Okay.
I tried to
Mhm.
speak, but their accent is so different.
Yes, that's very true. That's very true.
Yeah, and
So,
Kumani.
if,
Mm-hmm.
if I ask you, Kumaoni would be easier to learn if
Hmm.
I'm a beginner. See, I'm a beginner, so I don't know Kumaoni and both Garhwali. I don't know. So, which one would be easier for me to learn?
According to me, because I have been speaking Kumaoni since my childhood, so
Yes, of
according
course.
to me, I think
Kumaoni.
Kumaoni, Kumaoni.
Yes, that's very true.
Yeah,
And you wouldn't face trouble teaching me because I know the basic words. So I just need
yeah,
to form sentences. I could be a good student.
right, right, right. Yeah, because you know basics.
Yes, I know the basics. I can
You know.
understand very well. If you are talking to somebody in Kumani, I will understand what you're saying. If you're asking me something, I'll respond. But in Hindi, I won't be able to
Hmm.
reply in Kumaoni because I cannot form the sentences. Hello? Bhuvan, I lost
Yeah, hello.
you. Yes, yes, now you're back on. Yeah. So this
Yeah,
is the problem
yeah,
with
yeah,
me.
yeah,
But
yeah. Okay, so
Yeah.
Okay, so you understand, but you don't speak.
Yes, that is the biggest problem. Biggest thing. My mom made me practice that,
Yeah.
she used to frame a sentence in Kumani and then she would ask me to repeat. So while repeating
Okay.
only, I used to
So
miss one or two words and the sentence becomes different. And she's like, you cannot learn my language. That's a
okay.
fun thing.
Okay. So I will. Okay. So I will give you a sentence, and you have to convert that sentence into Kumani language.
Oh my
So,
god. Oh my god.
so I want to see, are you able to speak or not? Okay. Okay.
Okay. Oh my god, this is going to be very tough. See, if you want, you can tell me a word, then I can convert it into Kumaoni, what exactly it is said in that language, but the whole sentence would be very difficult.
Yeah. Yeah. I will like I will speak a simple sentence.
Okay.
Simple sentence.
Oh my god, I'm gonna make a fool out
You
of
have
myself. Okay.
uh, I have to go Uttarakhand, and you have to convert this sentence into Kumaoni.
I have to go to Uttarakhand.
Yeah, I have to go to Uttarakhand.
Mm, I know that Chalna is called hit. It's called hit, right? And no, I don't think I can frame it in a sentence. Very difficult. Okay, you tell me what it should be.
It should be. I have to go
Yes,
Uttarakhand.
I
I
have to
have
go
to go
to
to Uttarakhand.
Uttarakhand. Yeah.
मुझे उत्तराखंड जानो.
Uh, exactly. Oh my god, I'm so bad at this. I'm so bad at this. Like when you meet your what do we say? Like my mom used to meet my nani. So she used to touch her
Mm-hmm.
feet and say "Ija pelag." If I'm right or
Ija
wrong.
pehla.
Yes,
Yeah, yeah,
Ija is
yeah.
called
Ija pehla.
mom
Yeah.
in
Mom.
Kumaoni. Yes, that I know.
Kumaoni. Yeah.
And she,
Uh-huh.
in response, she said "Ju jago." Okay, like live
Yeah.
a long
Jujago.
life.
Okay. Huh.
See,
Yeah.
I'm
Live a
giving
long
you
life.
proof that I know. Okay, I'm very bad at it, but
Yeah.
I know a little bit. And walking slowly, it's matu matu. Okay,
Yeah. Matu
matu
mat.
matu.
Yeah.
Okay,
Matu mat.
and what else? The morning is called rati. Morning is rati.
Yeah. Rat. Yeah.
Yeah.
Rati.
Oh
Yeah.
my.
Yeah.
See, I'm
Rati
telling you
hai.
the
Yeah.
basic
Rati.
words. These words I know.
Yeah. You know. Yeah. You know the basics. You know.
Oh my god! But you're gonna have a tough time teaching me, Bhuvan. I'm sure. I am sure.
Mm. And, and yeah. And you used hit to like that.
Yeah.
Walking for
Yes.
walking.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So when we walk, so that time you can use hito.
Okay.
But when we have and yeah, and when we move to one place to another,
Okay.
suppose you have to go, suppose Delhi to Uttarakhand or
Yeah.
Uttarakhand to Delhi.
So you
So
said
that time you
Jano.
can't. Yeah, जान
Jano
मतलब
cho.
जाना.
Okay.
Yeah, you have to go. Yeah.
This is so nice. This is so nice. I even get videos of I forgot that name. There is
Mm.
this puja that happens at night. Jagri. It's called
Jagri,
Jagri, right?
Jagri,
Yes.
Jagri.
My whole family conducted a Jagri last year, and my mom
Uh,
couldn't go because of my brother's exams, but we got the video, and it was so nice that we were a part of it, but through a video call. That's it. We weren't able to sit in the puja. So, yes, Jagri is also one thing I know.
yeah, yeah, Jagri.
Yes.
Jagri, Jagri, and apart from Jagri,
Mhm.
there is a puja called Baisi.
Bessie. Okay.
Baisi.
I don't know what
Yeah,
is.
yeah, and it takes 22 days.
22
22
days
days.
continuous.
Yeah, continuous 22 days.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
It's the same
So
as Jagri.
yeah, every night, every night they perform like Jagri.
Okay, okay, all right. There is
Yeah.
a huge
Mm.
bonfire, I know,
Right,
and we
right. Yeah.
get people sitting around the bonfire. That also
Y-
I've seen. Yes,
Yeah.
yes, I've seen this. First,
Yeah.
I didn't believe these things because when I was first there, I was a kid. So when my
Hmm.
mom used to tell me that this actually happens, I was like, not possible. But when a person actually sees from his own eyes, he
Yeah.
believes those things. So I
Yeah.
believe
And
it. Like, oh wow.
yeah, and that time they can do anything. Like they can
Exactly.
like they can they can lift the coal, like the coal
Oh,
or
they won't
fire,
get
and
burnt. They won't get
yeah,
burnt.
they
Right.
won't get burned, and they get ash, like the hot ash, and they can like hold the body like that.
Oh my God, yes. Okay, but
Yeah.
what will happen afterwards? Will they get marks? Will
No.
the skin be burnt afterwards?
They get only marks. Only
They
marks.
only get marks. Okay,
Yeah,
but
they
they
only
won't
get
feel the
marks.
pain.
Yeah, they won't feel the pain.
Wow,
So
we say that superpowers are only in movies or whatsoever, but we have witnessed it in real life. We have
right.
witnessed it in real life. And I
Yeah.
think that's a very nice experience. That's so nice.
Mm. So
Amazing.
yeah, so that's why people called it Dev Bhumi, like
Yes,
Devo ki Bhumi.
Devbhoomi, right.
Yeah.
I love the structure of Bhumya Than Mandir. I've been
Uh-huh.
there 2 or 3 times. After that,
Hmm.
I didn't get a chance. I have heard that they have completely transformed it.
Yeah, it has
They
become very
have.
good. Yeah, it
Wow,
has become
that's
very
so
good.
nice.
Yeah, and
I've
whenever,
seen the river flowing by.
uh-huh,
That was also very
yeah,
beautiful.
yeah, it's very beautiful. And whenever we go through Bhumya Than,
Hmm.
suppose I have to go from my place to Ramnagar.
Right.
So that time whenever suppose I am sitting in bus. So when Bhumya Than comes, so that time we have to like 1 or 2 rupees coin, and we have to what we can say, like chadhana. Uh,
You have to offer that coin to the
yeah,
temple, right? So you'll
yeah,
offer that.
yeah,
Okay. Very
yeah,
nice.
yeah. So it believes people. Yeah,
Yeah,
people believe.
yes.
Yeah, people believe Bhumya Than.
Of
So
course.
that's why.
Yes. My
Yeah.
mom also is, she's a very firm believer.
Mm-hmm.
And, the bell that is offered into the temple and they write
Yeah.
your name and they put it in the temple.
Right. Right. Yeah.
Yes. So that's also done. And something interesting.
Mm-hmm.
There is a wall. I don't know what it is called, but
Mm-hmm.
the people who donate towards the trust fund of the temple, their name is written on that marble.
Right.
My
Yeah.
father's name is one of them.
Okay.
Yes. But I went there last time, so I don't know
Mm-hmm.
if that stone is removed or not. So I think he donated 5,000 rupees to the trust fund on my
Okay.
mother, saying that
Mm-hmm.
we are here, so we should do something. So his name was there. So I was a kid when his name was there. So I was very fascinated. I was like, my father's name is on a stone wall. So it was very interesting to watch. Now I don't know
Right.
if
Right.
it's still there, but
Mm-hmm.
his name was carved on that wall and it was very nice to watch. But I see people have made such big donations. It is
Yeah.
so
Yeah. Yeah.
good to see.
Right.
Yes,
Right. Yeah.
very
Yeah. People.
fascinating.
Yeah. People believe a lot.
Yes,
Yeah.
exactly. That's good. That's good, I think.
Yeah.
And I think Uttarakhand is our sacred land,
Hmm.
and the people are firm believers, and it is actually true. It's not just a myth, but it's
Yeah. It's
actually
true.
true.
It's true. Yeah.
Love the fact. Love the fact.
Yeah. And
Right.
have you ever visited there is a temple called Gulju Temple in Almora. Chite
Almora.
Chiteguel. Chiteguel. Its name is Chiteguel.
I have only been to Bhumya Than. No other temple I
Okay.
think I've been. Yeah.
So
We cross
yeah,
Almora to reach Nobra.
yeah.
There is the place where my grandfather's family lives right now. So we go there
Hmm.
time to time to visit them. But I think we have to cross Almora to reach Nobra, if I'm
Yeah,
not
right.
wrong. So yes,
Mm-hmm.
that is the only time I've been through Almora. I've never stayed
Almora.
in Almora.
Yeah. So there's a
Yes.
famous temple called Chiteguel.
Okay. All right.
So yeah, so when you will visit there, so you can see a lot of letters.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
People
lot of
write
let
their wishes.
yeah,
Okay.
people write their wishes.
Yes.
So yeah, people wishes like on 10 rupees stamp or a simple paper.
Yeah.
So, so if you have a wish, so just you have to
Yeah.
write
Okay. You
in
have to
a
write it on the
in a
paper and you have
paper.
to tie it somewhere.
Yeah, and you have to type.
Okay. That's
Right.
very nice.
Yeah.
You've been there?
Yeah, I have been there
You have
two or
written
three
your
times,
wish?
3 to 4 times. Yeah, I have.
How sweet. Okay, you've written
Yeah,
your wish and you folded it and tied it there.
yeah,
Oh,
I
wow,
had
that's
written.
so
Yeah,
nice.
you have not to fold. Like, yeah, you have not
Okay.
to fold your paper, and you
Okay.
have you have to just hang up your paper. Yeah,
Okay, okay. All right.
yeah,
But I mean, you have to tie it from something, then only it'll hang.
yeah. Right.
Okay, okay. Right,
Mm,
right. You know, I have witnessed so
yeah.
many cultures. Even when I go to Ajmer Sharif for Dargah, there also we
Mhm.
have this
Yeah, yeah.
tradition that people write their wishes on the paper, and there is
Uh-huh.
kalma. You know, there is this red dhaga that we tie on our hands, molly,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
they have to tie it
Mm-hmm.
with that molly on the piece of paper, and then have to tie it on the tree branch. So that tree is
Okay.
filled with notes. So it's green and white. Green the leaves and white the paper. It looks so
Write the
beautiful, you
paper.
know. That tree is so big and filled with wishes.
Uh-huh.
Filled with wishes. Very beautiful.
Mm.
So traditions, you know,
Yeah.
just in one country we have
Yeah,
so many
tradition.
things. It's very nice to see.
Right, right. Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah, it's true.
beautiful. And me being
Yeah.
a mixed breed, Hindu also, Muslim also,
Mhm.
so I get to experience a lot
Uh-huh.
of things, a lot of things. His side also, her side also.
Yeah.
Very
Yeah,
nice.
you know all the things.
Yes.
Yeah.
I have been privileged to watch both the traditions, both the customs, and God, the variations I get to see. Very nice.
Yeah.
Oh my
Right,
God.
right.
We are reaching the end of
Mm.
the session, Bhuvan. So we are running out of time. One or two sentences I would
Mm-hmm.
like to correct so that we don't miss out on anything.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Yes. So when you say you have not to fold the paper,
Okay. You don't.
yes, correct. You don't have to
You
fold
don't.
the paper. Correct. That is
You
correct.
don't have to
Okay.
put the paper. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Right. And when you say there is a
Mm-hmm.
friend and who live in 5 to 10 kilometers from my house,
Okay. So there is a
okay,
friend of mine who lives.
who lives,
Who
and the
lives.
sentence
Who
you've
lives.
made it too big, you can, you know, say in brief that there's a friend who
Mhm.
lives 5 to 10 kilometers away. That's it.
Okay.
Okay. You
Mm-hmm.
said who live in 5 to 10 kilometers from my house. So in is not required. So who lives five to
Okay.
ten kilometers away. That's it.
Away. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am. Mhm.
And next, when you say
Okay.
25 kilometers far, border has started. You know, border has
Yeah.
start. Actually, that was your sentence. So it just has to be 25 kilometers from here. That border starts.
Okay. That border starts. Yeah.
Yes.
होता है. Okay.
You have
Mm-hmm.
said border
Okay.
has start. So
Yeah.
that
Yeah.
is a
Yeah.
little
Border.
grammatical error.
Mm.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
rest
Border
everything is good.
starts.
You speak well.
Yeah.
No other issues
Mm-hmm.
from my side. If you want to ask anything, please ask.
Yeah. Actually, ma'am, what is the English meaning of बांधना? Like घंटी को
Time.
वो पे tie.
Okay, so
TIE.
you simply say that you have to offer that bell, and that bell is
Offer.
tied onto the roof of the temple.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.